Good morning, viewers. Today we will discuss the another part of BHU 2015 MSc Entrance question papers. And in the previous video, we have discussed 4 questions, but in this new video, we will discuss some questions. And so let's see, without wasting time, let's start. So first of all, the question is, which one among the given ions has the highest polarizing power? And here the 4 options are given. These are sodium plus, calcium 2 plus, magnesium 2 plus, and aluminium 3 plus. Now what we have to know that what is polarizing power, right? So polarizing power proportional to E by R, where E is the charge of this particular ion and R is the radius of this particular ion. Now among the 4 given options, we know that we can see that easily that the charge is greater in aluminium 3 plus, right? It is +1, +2, +2 and +3. So the charge is greater in aluminium 3 plus, and we have to now focus in radius. So now when the charge becomes greater, the attraction force of the nucleus increases, and it attracts the outer shell electrons towards itself. So when a particular ion has a greater oxidation state or greater charge, then it has the lower ionic radius. So aluminium 3 plus charge high and radius low, and that is why aluminium 3 plus is the correct answer. Okay, now if you simply put like this, that sodium, magnesium, aluminium and calcium here, it is in general the order of periodic table. So when you move from the left to the right hand side, the charge decreases. We generally know that. Okay, so aluminium 3 plus is the right answer. Now come to the second question. Consider the following reaction. Okay, so here a reaction is given, and this is cobalt ammonia whole 4 Cl2 whole plus water, and it becomes in the following products. Now the options are given that substitution and reduction, oxidation and substitution and oxidation. Now which one of these correct? Okay, so first of all, just look at the reaction, that here the ammonia is 4 and 2 Cl, but here ammonia 4, 1 Cl, 1 water, and it reacts when it reacts with water displaces 1 Cl, and water just insert into this complex. Okay, you can easily see that Cl2, here 1 Cl and 1 Cl is displaced from this coordination sphere, and water is moved into this coordination sphere. So this is generally a substitution reaction. Okay, so now just look at the whether it is reduction or oxidation or none of these. Okay, so just focus on this cobalt oxidation state. Now we know that ammonia is a neutral ligand, and when we have to determine the oxidation state, so if we assume the oxidation state of cobalt is X, so X, ammonia is neutral, so 0, and for 2Cl it is -2 equal to this. For plus 1 charge it becomes +1, so X equal to +3. That means the cobalt has the oxidation state of +3, right? And now here look at this. So cobalt we assume X. For ammonia it is neutral, so becomes 0. Water is also neutral, so it becomes also 0. Cl is just 1 Cl, so -1, and on the overall charge is +2, so it becomes +2. Now the charge becomes +3. Now here also the oxidation state of cobalt is +3, so it is substitution, only substitution, +3 to +3, so no reduction or oxidation occurs here, so only substitution is the right answer. Now come to the third question, which is which among the following compounds ions are diamagnetic, right? So we have these following options, and just focus on that diamagnetic, right? So COCl4 2 minus, just focus on these particular options. CuCl6 whole 2 minus. So cobalt oxidation state is copper, so D9 4s2 and D9 4s2, and here 2 negative, right? So okay, so now CuCl6 2 minus, so just assume copper as X, so here is also X minus 6 equal to -2, so it will comes in oxidation state 4. So now for copper 4, just if we write down copper 4, now copper 3D9 4s2, so it becomes 3D7, right? And Cl is the weak field ligand, so in weak field ligand, if we just draw the electronic configuration 1 2 3 4 and 5 cell, so weak field means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so number of unpaired electrons equal to 3, so it is not diamagnetic, right? So we can cancel the options which contain CuCl6 4 minus, so here it is the option, and we can cancel option 2. Okay, now CuSCN, so copper thiocyanate, and thiocyanate contains just -1 charge, so here copper becomes in +1 state, and when copper 1, it becomes 3D10 configuration, and in 3D10 configuration 1 2 3 4 5, so all the spins are paired up, right? In 3D10 configuration all the spins are paired up. Here number of unpaired equal to 0, and CuSCN is diamagnetic, so we have to focus on this option. So here palladium is on nickel group, nickel, platinum, palladium, and palladium CdCl4 2 minus, so palladium becomes in +2 state, so it is 5d8, and when it becomes 5d8, okay, in weak field nature, but the nature is Cl is a weak field ligand, so in weak field nature we have to just draw, so 1 2 3 4 5, now 6 7 and 8, so number of unpaired equal to 2, and hence PdCl4 is not diamagnetic, so the correct option is which contain CuSCN and NiCO whole 4, and it is option number 3. Okay, now let us move to the next question. Now look, this is a very simple question, just which one is an example of a sandwich compound. Okay, so the given options are chromium C6H6 whole 2, CrCO whole 6, Cr2 CH3C00 whole 2, and now PT ammonia whole 2, PTCl4. Okay, so the right answer is option number 1, CrC6H6 whole 2. It is known as a sandwich compound, and the structure is known as like this: chromium, so here in the up phenyl or benzene ring like this, and in the below also a benzene ring. So chromium is sandwiched between these two phenyl rings, and this is why the compound is called a sandwich compound, right? Now let us move to the next question. Which of the following ions or molecules have planar structures? Okay, so these are the given options, and we can just simply know that ammonia has like pyramidal structure, so we can draw it like okay, so it is in pyramidal shape. Now SO4 minus just contain a tetrahedral shape like this. So it is in tetrahedral. Now CO3 minus, so CO3 minus is carbon double bond O, it is known as trigonal planar shape, and the fourth option is BF3. So BF3 means boron here, and then like this. So it is also in trigonal planar shape. So the correct answer is CO3 2 minus and BF3. So option 3 and 4, option 3 and 4. So option C is the right answer. Okay, so this is the video, and please like, comment and share this video, and if you face any kind of